My dear, as soon as I heard that you sent for me, I had to leave all I'm doing to come and find out if all is well.
My dear, all is well. All is very well. I called you to give you my meeting fee so that you can, pay for me because I won't be able to come. My brother and the wife, they are relocating from the city to the village.
Are you serious?
Yes. So I want to prepare a delicious oha soup for them and then receive them.
Are you serious? Hey. Well, no problem. I will do that for you.
Thank you. Thank you.
And I'll also bring back anything shared at the meeting for you.
Hi. Thank you very much. Darling, so.
My friend, see, let me tell you, as Innocent is coming back is proper. And as the son of the Ozo, I heard he must either inherit it and continue the function from the father, or either sell it to another person.
You are correct.
And that's as our custom demands.
That is exactly why he's coming back. Yes, that's exactly why he's coming back. Let me go and bring the money and give you. Go. No, ma, thank you.
The only bird a hunter could not bring down, even after several shots.
But man, this one you're carrying all this load. I hope there's no trouble in the township.
No, there's no trouble in township. In fact, township is as peaceful as our village. You understand? Meet me in the house later. Oh, better still. Let me see you later. Let me hurry down and drop all these things, change into something, and come and see you. Let us go to the guy and tell one your or bottle.
That's very good. None.
This one you did not even say hello to my wife. Do you think she's my daughter or my girlfriend?
No. She's too beautiful. I don't know. I don't know how you will. If I greet her now.
Okay, don't say that one. Don't say before you go into unclean. Before you say you go into unclean something. You understand?
No.
Wait. Mind the way you greet sometimes. Don't mind the way you shake.
Hello.
Transport all the way from city down to village. Woku kadira nono. Imakwa inama killing transport all the way from city down to village. Woku kadira nono. Obodo nebaya inama. He is coming, he is going. Wakwa killing no man inama. Anakwa follow Mr. Clay. Ono neyogi. I beg you, hold your peace, Psalm 23 naga.
I hope it was not too stressful.
It was stressful. You know how our roads are. Bad roads, They be doing janglova. But we managed it.
Johnny was successful.
Oh yeah, nobody, there's no these small children. Nobody is around.
You can't do that. We don't stress ourselves that much. Okay, do you expect us to bring this now?
Is it not the same food you eat that I eat as a human being? It's not Nigerian food that go
on diet, no now. On diet, let's take it.
Omego Wanile. there is good news.
What is the good news?
Your chances of becoming one of the 4 cardinal Ozons in our community after the Ozons ceremony is very high.
Talk to me now. What's happening?
Yes, Uchenna Udemba, who sits on his father's title, just came back 2 days ago. And Apia Winfeke.
Okay.
Just told me that Innocent Mokute is right on his way back. Giving us, particularly you, options of choosing from one of them.
You know that 2 of them are very poor.
Very, very poor. Now you have said it, they are very poor.
In that case, we have to strategize and make an offer.
Yes.
I'll buy one for myself. And if 2 of them are for sale, I'll buy the second one for my 5-year-old boy, Fred.
Yes, I know you will say for your son. Yes, so we will put our heads together and strategize on how to present the offer.
You see, I don't think we have any other time. We don't have much time to spend. Let's go there and make the offer.
Yes,
so
sir.
I can take it.
You have just said it. Oh, man, go, Anile. Don't. Yes, sir. Yes. Very big opportunity. Which counts but one. Yes. Hey. Yes, sir.
I am going out, and there is no palm wine. Ha! Uchenna, why are you talking like this? Yeah? Are you not my friend again? Can't I come to see my friend? Okay, let me tell you. I am here to inform you before you start taking decisions about getting married, so that you don't make mistake. There is this beautiful daughter of Mazi Osisioma. Her name is Ijenwada. She is the only girl I trust in this community. Yeah? See, some of these girls, if not all of them, are wash. Apia. I just came in 2 days ago.
I know.
I know that I am long overdue for marriage. But one thing after the other. Okay, if you must know. Once we are done with the Feast of Ozonze, I shall relax and choose a wife for myself. Or better still, look into your proposal. But for now, I am going to see my grandmother and know why my mother is still there since yesterday. Don't follow me.
Oh. You enjoyed it, have you?
Yes, you are a fantastic cook.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh!
Once again, you are welcome.
Hey, you're saying once again. Which other resounding welcome is bigger than this thing you just gave us? Thank you very much.
I understand how you feel. I know the decision is not easy for you to take. I mean, leaving the city and coming here. You see this other title we're talking about? It's not a small thing, no. It's a very big thing. Our grandfather handed it over to our father. And then our father handed it over to him. In case he decides to keep it, then a very big ceremony will be performed. Yes, the benefits of continuing from where our father stopped is too much. And there is no decision in this community that will be taken without him. This also title is very important. The benefits, Erika, they are too much. So please, I need you to understand. You know, Gonne.
Banso Bahadro, Adanne, anya batago bina anya batago. Don't worry, later we'll have woman to woman talk. That's when he won't be here.
Obiakwa, you talk woman to woman talk. Let it not be ashamed. Don't go and start gossiping anything, no.
Do I look like a gossip?
I trust you women. You understand? You did well for this resounding welcome. Let me go inside and change. As it is, somebody might be waiting for me. You know, let him come. I saw him putting on black. They'll be waiting for me on black. In their own confusion, I will put on white. But I'm gaffel. You got that? So let me go inside and change into something else. You will be in another thing. And I am sure, you know, when we are coming back, small children, they will. You see how people we are noticing our return. One or two persons may have gone inside to tell the father or the mother that they saw Enorma and his wife coming back to the village. And they were expecting me to come and greet them. So I need to go and, you know, share greetings. I don't have money to share. I don't have anything to give. I'm a clean man. But I have plenty greetings to share. Let me go and share my greetings. You got that? And another thing, no, don't think that I'll pass this way in view of protection. So don't go waiting for me.
Oh, yeah,
you know.
Okay. Guys, Dikeh, we have a lot to discuss. Let me take out this into boundary. I'm coming. Hey, man, Yoma.
Imakwa inama killing transport all the way from city down to village.
I'm actually going to your house.
Yes. We are here.
Okay.
Let us from here move to a Banwai joint and cool ourselves. Our body system. Put it in order.
But they say there's one new place where they sell palm wine in this community. I'm telling you, if you taste that palm wine.
You see, the way you're describing this palm wine. Wait, what about wine or chance palm wine?
Forget wine your child. Wine your child is learning where this person is. We call him Kwe. If you taste his palm wine, you forget your wife for him.
Obiakwa, How can I know that this palm wine, if I take it, I will forget my wife? Then I'll go and take it. For what?
I didn't mean you forget your wife. But this is a way to describe how sweet his palm wine is. Angocha,
that means my wife should go and put her chaplet in water.
Let us go first so that you taste this way.
No, this is my house.
I know. There's a way we'll cut.
Okay, I'm happy away.
Bam! I have always known.
You know, I have always counted on you. I know that you can do it. Go.
Just let me show you.
No, Ugo, tell me you're joking. Tell me you're joking. How can I joke with a thing like that? We are talking about 5 million naira.
Yes, so that was what Ikenna Musisioma sold the one he inherited from his father.
Are you serious?
3 years ago. Yes.
Hey. My husband, Ino, needs to sell this also title. In fact, as a matter of fact, we do not need it. What are we going to do with it?
Eli.
We need money. In fact, I need to relocate this house. You know, man of Motun Siakwado, and everything. You will know I don't belong here.
I know.
I don't belong here. I have to love, be a humble home. We need to move to a better classy house. I need to bear my children. They will go to school in London, America. No, I need that money. And he must sell that also title.
He has to sell it. You have to choke him very well. Talk to him. Let him sell it.
Nay, I will talk to him. In fact, I will force him.
Thank you.
GMA. How can a young cute boy like my husband be going up and down all in the name of meeting in this also? We don't need all that. We need money. I need money so I can pamper myself, take good care of myself. No. He has to sell it. Can we get a kunite? Yes. He has to sell it.
Can you imagine?
So 5 million.
5 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No, he has to sell it. Because they need to go meet Ibumuru gold now. I'm telling you.
Okay, there is no problem now. Okay. It's alright. Call them guys. Okay. Bye bye. Hi. No. Omali Changwan. Take him.
I'm fine. Good afternoon, sir.
Oh, fine afternoon. Hi. What is your name?
My name is Isioma.
Hi, Isioma. Okay, there's no problem. I'm going to call you. Okay, Messia. Hi. Hi. Could she be the one Apia talked about? Eh? I heard Isioma. Or Osisioma. Oma is involved. Hi! Wanka Maya. Hi. Indeed, this village has beautiful girls that can make a good wife. Hi! Menebe kwa lonka anya o. Hi.
Fast. Okay. Chief Omego, he knows you people are here. You'll be here in a jiffy.
No problem.
It's all right.
Who wants something must wait patiently.
Bam! EJ.
Chief Omego! Ofudiane more float. Chief Omego, EJ's. I envy your wife. You're such a big man. Oh,
Sorry. My wife. Sorry. Chief, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I kept you people waiting. It was as a result of the palm wine. Very sweet. I'm sorry.
Do you take palm wine?
Of course. She's a natural herb.
I didn't think I would have brought a very nice Korean drink I bought in France. That would more than 80,000 naira.
That would be wonderful. Oh my God.
7 million naira.
Yes. 7 million. I don't understand.
Telling me why we are here.
You know, this big grammar we have been blowing here is to cut everything short. Omega wants to buy you also title.
Yes.
Omega,
I know.
Wait, let me ask the both of you. Who told the both of you that I want to sell my Ozo?
Okay, in that case, 8 million naira.
Okay, let me increase. Let me tell you, as a matter of fact, this Ozo cannot be for sale. This Ozo, my grandfather got it with 17 cows and other things. And as a matter of fact, when he got this Ozo, it was a time when integrity was in vogue, when integrity was the order of the day and not money. He used it and transferred it to my father. My father, as a matter of fact, maintained the integrity. He maintained it and never allowed the money to rule him. He gave it to me. He transferred it to me. So I will abide under that condition of allowing integrity to rule me and not money. You understand? So I will not sell this organ. Organ. I will not sell it. Because
in that case, 10 million naira.
Innocent.
For what?
Yeah, you know.
10 million.
It is 10 million naira we are talking about here. Ego na swaso, ego barop. The fortune of a lifetime. Eh? Accept this money and use it to arrange yourself so that you start living a worthy and fulfilled life. Take this money. You know you are very poor. Take this money and arrange yourself. Listen, if you want to buy the Ozo title later, when you have made enough money, you can do that. Do it. Buy it from another person. You looked at me
and call me a poor man. Between me and you, who is poor? Check my size and check yours. Who is poor? I am fulfilled, if you don't know. I am fulfilled because I am covered under the umbrella of Psalm 23. Which says, Jehovah Boyena Asomdi Kaatoro. So you cannot rule me. Money cannot rule me, and nothing can make me sell my also title. Not even your highest amount.
Innocent. By me looking at you, your life is incomplete.
Yes.
You go and think about it. If you want money, by tomorrow afternoon, I'll give you 12 million.
Giver of life. I didn't know you're a giver of life. To have known that my life is incomplete. No, allow me to talk. Let me talk. So you call me. You open your mouth. Let me talk. Let me talk.
I want to reorganize your life.
An opportunity that comes.
Don't be offended. My husband is very stubborn. We'll be at your place before midday tomorrow. Keep the 10 million. Keep it. Oh, in a theater.
Uche, that person you saw is not Ijewada. Huh? Yes, the person you saw is Ozioma. Hi, Ijewada's father is Osisioma. That is what is yes. Hi. But as it is now, I want you to find out about Isioma. Know her family and everything, and then get back to me. Consider it done. I've done it already. But you need to just to rub my hand. Rub your hand. I don't understand. Give me something, at least let me take, even if now one stick of cigarette as I did. Okay. There is no problem. Okay. I will give you money for cigarettes. You will. No, give it to me now, please.
No! Don't tell me that. Don't tell me nonsense. We are talking about 10 million.
I said I cannot do it. I will not.
It's not 3 million. We are talking about 10
million. Even if it is 100 million, I will not do it. Even if it is 200 million, I will not do it. Even if you like, shout down the sky, shout down this roof, I will not sell it.
If you don't, I will give you trouble. Problems in this house. I will not cook. I will not wash it from car. Nothing for you, not my word.
Look at you. If Franka get Piachi, I will meet up your head before. Have you ever heard it? But I tell you something, Monica. I am going to take you to church for deliverance.
You see, your mates are there. Eating money, spending money. No marital someone inside Aruna. You rubbished me. Reduce them to 0. Now look at money. Nenego, money is calling you. You deaf? Are you blind? 10 million. You know, man.
Let me tell you, Monica, if money will make me, selling that thing will make me be mad. Yes, I am mad because I'm not going to sell it. Monica will not sell it. I will take you to a church, they will baptize and change the name for you because this name is disturbing you. Monica, if we go, anything about money intoxicate you. I don't know if it, what is this thing, I'm not going to sell it. If it takes you to leave this place or do otherwise, I will not do it.
Range, pack that useless smelling stinking integrity. Don't be somewhere. What I need is money. Integrity will not buy me hair. Integrity will not buy me latest makeup. It will take me to London. What is integrity?
I can bring that this roof. I will not sell it. Money cannot rule me. I will rule money. My integrity matters to me more.
What
than money.
Integrity? What bullshit integrity are you talking
about? If you don't know. Yes. Let me tell you, I have never forgotten Psalm 23 which says, so I will not allow money rule me. Not even you, my wife, cannot rule me.
I will call prophet, call Dikeh, call everybody to deliver you from your deranged mentality, from your poverty mentality. You need to be rich. You need to eat money. And my Holy Ghost fire.
Money.
I need to deliver you.
Ushena, what do you say? I offer you 6 million naira.
There is no problem, sir. I will accept it.
You accepted that? That's good. Do you want cash or check?
Omego, 6 million naira is not what I can accept in cash. I will take the check and then pay it into my account, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
As you can see, Innocent will whoop over this when he hears that you've taken your own money. Yes, sir. Congratulations.
Oh, Omego.
Money speaks.
I am.
I'm coming, let me put it.
Yes, we are waiting. Uchenna, in fact, you are a very smart boy. Eh? You know that you took a very wise decision.
Thank you, sir.
Innocent will weep like a baby when he hears things.
Yes, he will. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Stop it now. It's okay. Leave me alone. Since your brother has decided to live and die in abject poverty, me, Monica, I will not subdue myself to that level. You never know. Because I love you, I decided to stay in this house with you. You have suffered me enough. I won't suffer again. I don't want to I won't take that. Am I supposed to be here? Am I supposed to be in this house? I'm supposed to be living a good life now, Kunite. That's what happened.
Thank you very much. Let me tell you, all this is you're saying. What you're supposed to say is that this man here has refused to be subdued. Hence this man has refused and decided to continue with his brain intact. That's what you're supposed to be saying, and not all this nonsense you're saying. You understand? Let me tell you, I will never in this whole life accept anything that will make me come down from who I am.
You know you are wrong. Plead with her not to go. Plead with her. Consider the money. Omeko has told you to wait to come before 12 o'clock. Please, let's wait now.
Let me, Adugo, be sure. Adugo, close your mouth. That mama died and you are now like a mother to me. It doesn't mean that you open your mouth and talk to me anyhow. You see, let me tell you. From now till 20 years to come, if you put me in a probation house, if you put me in a room to consider, my answer will continue to be no. I will not accept it.
And my answer right now is yes. Yes, my answer is yes. It's few minutes to 12. Since Chief Omego asked you to come around 12, I am going there right now to collect the money. Watch me do it.
Look at you! Look at you! No! Look at you! Let me tell you, you're on your own, no? If you go and collect that money from also Omego or whatever, you call him, you will go to your village to dig out also titleship and give to him. You play it. I will never be subdued to any nonsense. I operated in Inoma clean transport in the city. I have returned to this village to continue my goodwill, to continue dwelling in the path of righteousness. You cannot change my ways. No, not now, not ever.
Go and bring her back. Go and bring her back.
Let me tell you, you're saying that I'm wrong. Yes, okay, let me accept I am wrong. Which one are you? You're not wrong, you're not right. Which one are you?
Your wife just left you. Go and bring her back. I am not going to cook for you. I will not be that wife. Go and bring her back. No,
come, go to the farm. Go to the farm and harvest some cassava. Before you know here that nonsense.
Every time you are talking rubbish. Go and bring her back, I've told you.
Let me understand one motor. You know my clean transport. What I can say, boss, be my mood.
You are right on time. Thank you very much. Chelu. Easy. The mechanic outside. See, the news all over the village is that you sold your late father's also title. Stop that nonsense. What are you talking about? What am I doing with miserable local title when I can actually do big business with the 6 million naira that I've got? 6 million? Listen, Gentle. After the festival, that is when I must have handed the also title to Omego, I will marry. Take my wife to Lagos and start a new life. It's a very wonderful idea. Beautiful. I'll get the car according. Okay. As long as I'll get my share. You can do whatever you like. Relax yourself and drink. My mother is cooking in there. Yes. Relax yourself. What are we talking about? Give me a cup. I said you should drink, not you should dive it.
Hey, Nai, thank God I was coming to your house. We are ready to sell now. We are ready to
my daughter is too late. He just bought it from Uchenna Udemba for 6 million. 4 million naira less than he would have paid Eno. He says the only way he can still buy it from your husband is if he's ready to accept 200,000 naira so that he will buy it for his 5-year son. The choice is yours, my daughter. When you are ready, you come to me. I am ready. 200,000 naira, and that's all. See you later.
Hey! You know how skilled me. If that won't work. I'm leaving. When his brain returns, he knows where to find me.
Leave all this.
I am tired.
Leave her, let her go. You understand? Let her go. What is the essence of living with this person in a room? I kept begging this girl in the city. Let us make babies like every other family does. The worst part is the way she purchases her leg, the way she locks her leg. I wonder how it's as if she locked the leg, she throws away the key. There is no key I have not used to open those legs to no avail. I even used master key to open it. You understand? Only what she kept hammering on in the city was money. You know, he must give me money to buy hair. You know, he must give me money to buy cream. You know, he must give me money to buy soap. You know, he must do money. Do you know the worst part? The worst part is that the small change, the small money this girl makes from her dodo, from her tailoring work, what she does with it is to enter the market and buy cream, buy soap, buy hair and put on her head. You understand? If you see this girl on a mirror dressing, making up, you think she's Mami Water. This girl takes a whole lot of time to make up this her face. Sometimes when she stands on the mirror making up, the way she disfigures her face makes her look like an imbecile. Is this the same woman I went and married with my hard-earned money, disfiguring her face like an imbecile? This girl is nothing to write home about. I am sure you're going to cook better than she does. So be cooking for me, let me be eating.
You want to marry your own sister?
I wish it is possible, but it is not. So I'm not going to marry you. But you see Monica, leave Monica. I know where they stay. Leave Monica. Biko, go inside and get me something to eat. Let me. What we are supposed to be talking about now is Psalm 23. You understand? That is the major thing. Overall, Monica's issue. I'm going for Ozo meeting. Yes, you know. You see that meat I came back with yesterday? You can take any part of that meat, cook anything you want to cook, but there is one part you will not play with me with. That is the ekwe. You see the liver? Don't go there, because the liver is food meant for the Ozo. So I don't want to come back here and ask you where is the liver. Now, you know, you can cook any other part. Yeah?
No problem.
Let me go and come.
No problem. You see what happened, eh? Though I wanted you to collect the money because of the amount involved. But seeing you looking like this, Ije, I'm so proud of you.
It's alright.
Eh? And I know that our father and grandfather, they will be so proud of you too. Oh, you know, Madi Clean.
Of course. Our father and our grandfather, they became happy the day I declined the offer of 10 million naira. When I said no to 10 million naira offer, our father and forefather became happy. In fact, they became more happy the day I possessed also sheep. You understand? You see, that time when people were saying, you know, you don't have sense. You know, you're senseless. You know, what kind of a man are you? You are offered 10 million naira to quit your other sheep or to sell your other sheep. I said, look, let me tell you. There are more valuable things than money. Things that money cannot buy, which is cleanliness, which is honesty, which is uprightness. Don't soil your hand because of money. What is money? Money comes and goes. You understand? So I said no. Now you have said it all. I look everything fine, everything, you know. So I thank you very much. Make sure you cook this thing.
I will cook it very well.
Biko. I'll make it so I'll be back soon.
Oh yeah, Gano. I will cook it very clean.
I like this one. I like this one you just said now. You're going to cook it very clean. I don't joke with cleanliness. Cleanliness is my motto. Cook it clean. Make sure it's okay.
I beg you, hold your peace, your Psalm 23 naga.
This stress is too much, eh? It's when I'm in Nino's house. I would have used this car to fetch this water. I would be stressing myself like this. Eh? What a clean Dikeh. I'm suffering too much. Jesus.
How can we be waiting for one person? That is what I don't like. How can we be waiting for one person? Do you know how many minutes we've spent here waiting for one person to come? Yeah?
Innocent, calm down. Very soon he will be here. He must be on his way.
You have already waited till now.
Don't tell me to calm down, no, because ha!
Oh my God! Ọzọ ka ibe ya. Ofu onye ka mmadụ iri.
Also the man who
Ndudu nwa.
No,
Hey,
we almost
you are
thinking that you will not come again.
welcome. You are welcome.
Also Dikeh, one day. You are welcome.
Hey.
I'm going.
Okay,
What is the essence? No, tell me the reason I should be here. You opened your mouth and called this man here Ofunwa Kamadiri, which means one head that is bigger than 10 people. What am I doing? Count us here. 1, 2, 3, 4. We still need 6 people to match with him. So there's no point. Me standing here, I am useless. So you understand? So you are one person that is bigger than 10. 4 of us, we are not even equals to you. So we need 6 elders to make it 10 to be complete.
You come. So don't you know that all heads are not equal?
May I go tell him, may I go tell him.
Some of them will see Kibeya. And that issue could be this issue. It could be this issue. It could be this one. But this is my own head. Your own Akaraya. So in fact, your own could be bigger than other elders' own. And this one's here. Not my own. So I am not going to stay here and watch you or somebody call you Ofunwa Kamadiri in my very before. Do you know who I am? You know I'm a clean man. And also with respect. And also with punity. You want to come and tell me that you're Ofunwa Kamadiri. Let it be on you and these elders and not on me. You know, no! I am leaving this place.
Wait, Innocent, wait.
Innocent,
are you trying to walk out?
Don't misunderstand us. Don't misunderstand us.
Are you working us on us?
We know your words now.
What's the meaning of all
that?
this?
We know your words.
Hey!
We know your words.
Let him go. This is money on her. Hey!
If it was when I was in Mama's house, he would have brought kerosene for us to cook this food. So now I'm cooking with firewood. I'm soaking myself. Going to fetch water. Going to fetch firewood. Eh? It's not easy. Eh? Monica na eti. Iti sana iti ke go Malawi.
No. Come back the way you are. Kalu. No. Stand up. Go and continue with what you are doing. Look at you. Look at you, Kalu.
Don't shout so that people will not hear us here.
So, Kalu, all you do is to come and tangle with somebody's wife. I am asking you, please. You're kneeling down. I am sure you know this woman's husband. Apia is going to hear this. So when the young man leaves, you come to his house to tangle with his wife. Look at, and also like you, who is supposed to be respectful, who is supposed to respect himself. You subdue yourself into sleeping with somebody's wife. It's alright. I am not going to say it again. I will not tell anybody. I will keep it to myself. This thing you did, please,
not what you feel. She requested for help from me. I never wanted to do it. I don't know how it finally happened. I have some money in my pocket. I'll give you.
Let me tell you, keep your nonsense dirty money. Your money is unclean. You are unclean. Everything about you is unclean. Even your red cap is unclean. Your walking stick is unclean. Everything about you is unclean. Keep your unclean money. Because what you just did now, and also who is in his right senses that knows Psalm 23, Jehovah cannot do a thing like that. You did it. I am going to announce it to everybody what you did. Corrupt, please. No, of course, please. Go and continue from where you stopped. Please. Go and continue. I'll give you. Please. Don't beg you. Don't beg me. I said go and continue from where you stopped. Don't beg me. Ah! Family. Kanu, you don't have to worry yourself. I am not such kind of a person. You think, relax yourself. This money you're offering me to cover what you just did now, is a good offer. I must say, it's a very good offer. Everybody in your position will make such offer. But what I'm telling you is keep the money. You understand? Because if you give it to me now, I might lose it. The money is even, big enough, plenty enough. If I take 5,000 naira out of this money, I will feed myself very well with anuchi and even drink enough mkwacha. You understand? And have enough to take home. But what I want you to do is keep it for me. When I'm ready, when I need it, I will come and take it. Oh?
Innocent, please, I'm still begging you. Forgive and forget. See reason and forget. And don't make me a public ridicule.
I am not going to make a public, what do you say?
Public ridicule.
I am not going to make you a public ridicule. Nobody is going to hear about what you just did now. Yes, this Holy Communion you just took now, nobody is going to hear it. Even Apia is not going to hear it. I will keep it to myself. Oh, be rest assured. What's Apiru now? What are friends for?
Please, collect this money.
I will not. I promise you I will not. And so shall it be. So relax yourself. Go home.
Please, I'm grateful.
It's all right.
Thank you for this day.
This is one of the they will show well done. They will bring the tumbler. Okay, Carlo.
Love even friend! Yeah! Rieno!
Yeah!
Muono!
Yeah!
President!
You are welcome.
Wait. You people have finished answering to his call and laughing at it. Before you ask, before you laugh, before you answer to his call, did you ask a question?
Which question?
Ask this man here, ask this also here. Where I caught him, what was he doing in Apia's room today? I saw this man coming out from Apia's house. Ask him what he was doing there.
Tell us.
Innocent, I thought we have settled this matter. Innocent, you...
I am what? Look at this man here. This person you see here. A man who is putting a revered also cap. A man who is supposed to behave judiciously and sensibly. A man who came to Omego and collected money for helping Omego. Instead of this man to use the money judiciously and use his cap relevantly, what he does is use it to sleep with people's wives. That's what he does.
Are you sure?
Yes! This man here, I caught this man sneaking out from Apia's house after ravaging Apia's wife. What will you be doing with Apia's wife? a poor apia, you go to sleep with his wife. Do you know what he did? What he did was, he wanted to bribe me with 20,000 naira. I refused. I said no. But let me tell you, Omego, whatever reason this meeting is called for, I disagree. I disagree, and I'm leaving this place.
Hold on.
And before I leave, I will take one drink home.
Innocent. No.
As a matter of fact, I think one drink will not be enough.
Innocent.
Collect that bottle from me. Collect that bottle from me.
What is it?
It's about my husband.
Nay, if you think about him that much, you go back to him now.
Thank you so much. I think I know what to do.
How we can braid the hair now? Okay, let's go.
Yes, up here.
Also, I'm just coming from my house. Yeah? My wife kept shouting your name, kept calling your name. That I should go and see you and I should call you immediately. There's something very, very important that we need to discuss. That I should do it as fast as possible before people will hear it. I'm wondering.
Everybody have heard it. Huh? There's nobody who have not heard. It is in everybody's ear. I caught Kano. I caught Kano jumping out of your window after ravaging your wife.
Hey!
Yes! I left him with that Omego, or what is it called? I just left him because I know that as an also, hence I have taken possession of this also ship. I will remain clean. I don't know about any other also. However they want to live their own lives, I don't want to know. But I know about myself that I must remain clean. You understand? Wait. Anything I see, I will say it the way I saw it.
Wait, you mean my wife?
Your wife, of course.
Hi!
Or is she your sister? Is she no longer your wife?
Also, today, Carl must kill me. Or I will kill him. Let me tell you, one person must die today.
I don't want one person.
Look, also, I'm coming.
You are better off alive to me than dead. So I'm going to pray for you to be alive. You got that? But one thing I will not do is to shut my mouth whenever I see anything bad. As an also, a clean also, I vowed to be honest at all times. I will always say whatever thing I see that goes wrong, I will speak it out.
Bum bum bum, so get there. Who can tell me this one no pass me? A man with dignity, full of integrity. Super, adequapia, yeah. Over the malo, no unclean under his nose. A man with dignity, full of integrity. Adequapia, killing. How can
he tackle me like that and become a problem for me? Nonsense! He thinks I cannot drink water in this community and skip my cup. What type of person is he? By the way. Nonsense!
Hey, ihe otula nwaanyị na-akpọ. Che! Aka m adọrọkwa na nke a. My hand is not in this.
Adu, let me tell you. Before you accept anything from anybody, for whatsoever reason, consult me first. Because I have vowed not to indulge in anything that is immoral. Anything that is not clean. You see that fowl they brought to you. Make sure you return that fowl. Because Mbochi, the wife of Ume, brought that chicken for me not to say what I saw. I am going to speak what I saw. No amount of bribe, no amount of gifts can someone give me to make me, or that will make me change my mind from what I saw. So I am going there to...
Please, I need your help. Police arrested my brother for confronting the man that wants to take my father's land.
Police arrested your brother because he fought a man who was coming to take over your father's land.
Yes, and they demanded I should get an order from our village so that he can be released.
Wait, which land are we talking about? Is it the land, the land close to Mazi Amade's this thing?
Yes, that
land.
Yes, that one. Yes.
That is the land.
Yes.
That land belongs to your father. Because I am very sure, and I know for sure that that land belongs to your father. Before I traveled to the city, I saw your father farming on that land. Your father loaned that land to my father for farming, after which he returned it back to your father. So, I am sure that that land belongs to your father. Very, very sure. You see what? We are going to the police station now. We are going there because your brother is going to be released. You understand? I don't know why somebody will, in this village would want to take advantage of an innocent child, innocent children, because their father is no longer. Look, I have vowed to stand by the truth, and by the truth I will continue to stand. I will not sit and watch any person take over what belongs to another in the name of LGBT, criminalism. I will not. Adugo, I am going to attend to this matter. Just relax yourself. Let us go.
Hey!
I will not sit and watch somebody do what is not right. Let us go.
Chineke na biko. Na-enekwara nwanne m nwoke. Biko kwa. Ya. Ozi noma.
Just keep running. I must surely get you. I will never rest until I see you. Just forget about what I will do to you when I will get you. Nonsense. Okay.
I am sure you're happy. You're happy your brother is out. Yes, I am very happy that you are happy. Your happiness is my happiness. Let me assure you. You see, in this village, anybody that troubles your trouble, in fact, anybody that troubles your brother and you in this village troubles the trouble, which is me. You understand? I will not stop at anything in exposing all these evil men. All these Indian people that are in this village, I will keep exposing them, and I will keep making sure that they are brought to book. Nobody is going to take what belongs to another. Whether rain or sun, I will explain the person to the community. Everybody in this community will hear about the person. So relax yourself. What you're going to do now is go back to your father's farm. Farm on it this farming season. Farm on it. Cultivate it. Do as you like because the land belongs to your father. You understand? Worry less. Go home and sleep tight. Oh?
Thank you very much,
sir.
sir.
Thank you.
God bless you, sir. God bless you.
Don't fail to call me in case there's any problem.
I will do that.
I don't know what is keeping you there.
Don't worry, he will soon be here. He doesn't leave.
that all you have to say?
Monica, welcome back.
No. My love, no, that's not what you're supposed to say. You're supposed to say, beautiful one, my angel, sweetheart, are you back?
I don't know when Ozzy Norma started doing lovey. It's alright. Hug me. Enjoy. I missed you too. You see, you married me when there was nothing. When I had nothing, we were managing. Money and things of the world cannot come between us. Never.
I'm sorry now, money.
No, it's alright. You can ako. I hope you gave her something to eat.
Yes, I gave her, but she didn't eat. She was waiting for you. I am very, very happy now.
I told her I can't eat without you.
She didn't eat because she was waiting for me to come. It's alright. We'll eat together now. Oh? Oh, you?
Why do you bring me all the way from the village here? Oh, and they say that you have a church. What am I doing inside this bush?
It's because I want to give you a special anointing. Anointing that will make Uchenna to come back and marry you. So that you will not marry all these city girls. I want to give you a special anointing. And it will come down from above and descend beneath. You need that anointing.
What kind of anointing is that in this bush?
Okay. Since you don't need the anointing, let me stop. No. So that Uchenna will marry another person from the city.
No.
Okay, now. Turn around. A hand is going to come in your waist. Whatever hand that comes is not my hand. Are you getting me? You are going to feel the hand. It's the hand of the anointing that will make Uchenna to come back and marry you. Oh yeah.
Yes, of course. It is the hand of the spirit that will come and touch her. Look at you. You're not ashamed of yourself. I followed you all the way. I saw you the way you were smuggling this girl like a goose. And you, what do? Do you know I followed you all the way? Because I was wondering, what is my wife's community girl doing in this place?
I was only anointing
without letting my wife know. Did you tell your sisters that you're coming to this place?
Me?
Because you did not tell her, I had to trace you. Know where you're going with this hoodlum, this urchin. So you brought this girl here to come and devour her.
Please, Dikeh, I was trying to help him by anointing him.
Of course, she's now him. She is now him. She's trying to help him by anointing him. She is now him. Don't worry yourself. Of course, I can see now the Holy Spirit is working. Hey, don't please me.
Nothing happened.
Of course, nothing happened.
Please.
No, of course.
You used to be my good friend.
Of course, I will pretend nothing happened.
Please.
It's all right. I will pretend. Continue with your good service.
Please.
Continue with your fellowship.
We are done with the anointing.
No. Continue with the anointing. Continue with your fellowship.
I have given her the anointing before you came.
Of course, I saw it. She took it. Thank God.
Oh yeah. Where is the number, my friend?
Oh, he's at the back.
This sheep was brought to me to thank me, and I decided to give it to Inoma, my good friend, so that I can kill it and eat. I will give him money to buy the ingredients to prepare it.
Hey!
Inoma, they come now.
Like pepper soup. This sheep is very big. I'm going to make very sweet, delicious pepper soup. Hey! Oridi gam yam nano. Oridi.
Inoma.
He brought this healthy sheep for us.
That is the reason you're dancing. Before you started dancing, before you started jumping up and down dancing, did you ask why he offered this goods? Did you ask?
But don't worry. And now, why did you bring it?
Tell her. You no longer know what to say. Look at you. Look at you. Suddenly you've got deaf and dumb. Let me tell you, Monica. I caught this he goat This he goat on white garment. I saw him trying to pieces an innocent girl inside the bush. Inside the bush, because he knows I was going to spread the news. He brought this goat to come and make me shut up. But I will not shut up. I will always say what I see. I will not pretend, and I will not hide any chicken.
My husband, it's okay. It's okay. You know, we are all children of God. We read Bible. We must learn how to forgive. Yes. Please don't do it again. He brought this thing for us. Just forget everything that happened. I will make delicious pepper soup for you.
Monica.
It's
okay. Look at even the sheep. The sheep has been crying. This sheep is not all happy over his evil. You are bowing down for me. You are kneeling down for me as Jesus for what? Let me tell you, if you don't take this sheep away, in fact, let me start the announcement. Oh! No, let me start the announcement. You don't want to leave this place. Let me announce it now, so that everybody let us hear. Look at your run.
Prophet!
The sheep they show go and show me. Can you know what's also?
Ozokalo, what he did was so wrong. But I will use money to do some damage control as the Omego.
Also Omego. Omogo. Thank you very much. What are friends for? I don't know what I could have done without you. I can't just wait for you to finish your mansion so that the whole world will see your wealth.
No, soonest. I can't wait to move out of this my father's old building.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
No problem, but next time take your time.
No problem.
That is exactly why we are here. We, the youth of this world, we held a meeting and we came to conclusion that you will be representing us in the local council as our councillor.
Your story is everywhere. We are hearing your story. We have ears. How you chase the Baba things and they are running 440. That is why they sent me the youth chairman and my secretary here that we should hand you this letter that you are our candidate unopposed.
Yes, we went round and our people agreed with our position before we came. We have really suffered in the hands of those old councillors. And now we need men of integrity like you to represent us.
Youth leader, you said you came with your secretary. Forgetting that you came with other leaders, 2 other youths too. I have accepted your offer to represent you. I have accepted in all honesty to represent you. I will always stand by the truth, and I will always tell my people the truth. You understand? I will make sure that I say things the way I see them. I will always tell the truth and nothing but the truth. Apia here is going to be my campaign manager. You know. Also Dikeh, very important. I do not have money to share. I don't have bags of rice to give. I don't have big items to share. What I have to share is the truth. The truth and nothing but the truth. I will always stand by justice and equity. If it interests my people that I am only going to stand by the truth and nothing but the truth to vote me in as their councillor, so be it. Whereby they say no, we want something more than money, something more than truth, which is money, and I don't have it, they will not vote for me. Oh, let it be to them like that. Then we will remain in this condition that we are.
You are very, very correct. And with what you've just said, I've accepted to be your campaign manager. And I will join you in fighting for the real truth. Yes.
Biko. It is not easy. It is not easy to find someone who will stand by you even when there is no money to share. This man have accepted to stand by me, work with me in equity and justice. Please, a round of applause for him again. You know, so, youth leader, Go and tell the other youths. Tell them what you have seen, what you heard. That I said, Inom said he has accepted to represent my people in all honesty. That I do not have money to share. I don't have bag of rice to give. I don't have big items to give. What I have is justice and equity. Standing by the truth now and forever. Tell them that is what I said.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. I am sorry I didn't offer you anything.
Uchenna.
Sir.
I brought you home to reward you for your loyalty and kindness. As you can see, I'm not a man of many words. Though I heard that the youth and some key members of this community had meeting and adopted Innocent Tukute as the sole candidate for the councillorship.
So I heard, sir.
That is awarded to us as it is our turn now. But hear this from me. I will make you the next councillor of this world.
Huh?
You might go stop it. I will use money to crush Innocent Tukute and make you the next councillor. Then we do business.
Bam! Idiot! Ọba sị na onye mma bọọlụ Rachael oroma. Onye peze zero ya aka. Omego. Omogo.
Our brother, ours is simple prayer. This lantern represents the light that cannot be quenched. Go on and shine. You are all on the mouth of our people.
We say no to backwardness. We choose light. Our people loves you. The love they have towards you will make you win, not money.
That's
true. Elders of our community.
Yeah.
In fact, elders of my kindred.
Right.
In every community there is a kindred.
Yes. That is true.
It is only your kindred that can stand for you.
That is also
in the community.
That is correct.
I thank you very much. I say you have done well. I am overwhelmed in this your kind gesture. I tell you something. I am assuring you that I will never disappoint you.
Amen.
If I mount that office, I shall make you proud.
Okay. Some people
like you said,
money, they do.
backward never, frontward ever. It is even in the scripture. Psalm 23 or second. Jehovah boye na azum dika atoro. Enwe ihe korom. I shall make you proud. Thank you. Thank you.
My people, you are welcome.
Thank you.
You see, this is the first money I'm releasing.
Hey.
Wow.
This is 2 million naira. Money is speaking. You see, I will soon release bags of rice, wrappers, and some other valuable items that make us buy their votes. And hence we get their votes. We divide the funds meant for the development of this community to our post. That's the business.
No waste of time.
Immediately, I will not hesitate at all.
And I will hand over the flag of our party to him as the only unopposed candidate of our
In fact, I cannot get enough words to express how I feel about what is happening here on today's occasion. I am very happy. I heard that Innocent and his group want to campaign on nothing, but we will use our money and gifts to buy up their votes, and he will score 0. Yes, sir. I know our people, and I can assure you that at the end of everything, we will sweep the polls, and victory will finally be ours. Na ye jerego bu na ye jerego.
Also, Carlo.
Ndondonwa.
As I'm talking to you now, I've made up my mind to crush innocent to put
Yes,
to
sir.
the last floor.
We will reduce him to mere zero.
To Omego is speaking.
Yes.
Omego. Ikembo.
Vote for PLP. Vote for PLP. Power. People's Life Party. Power. Party on your one day. Power. Party for Councillor Ward 16. Power. Ward 16 Councillorship election. Power. Vote for your brother. Vote for change. Power. Vote for peace and stability. Power. PLP. This is a party that has come to bring a change. Yes. This is a party that when you mention it, all evil ones scamper. They run away at the mention of PLP. Yes. I want you all to vote for Councillor Ward 16. Son of the Stone Man. We are coming out from Ward 16. We are coming with goodies. We are coming with truth. Yes. Honesty. Yes. Tranquility. Yes. Peace and equity. Yes. We will make sure that my people sit and sit well. Yes. My people will no longer cry for anything. Yes. Peace is what we want. Yes. Psalm 23, once again, Jehovah Boy also Dikeh. Or did you cry? Yeah. So we shall not lack. Yes. PLP will not lack. Yes.
Hey! I heard they were all busy diving over the money Chief Omego was throwing, and nobody was ready to listen to your light and matches message. Is this how you're going to win the election? Many feel beginning Dikeh. All you need to do is to spend money. If you don't have, take loan and spend it. Tell them what they need to hear. You think you win this election like this?
Let me tell you, the most important thing is that I passed the message. I gave the message to my people. The choice is theirs. If they like on that election, they let them vote for me. If they don't want, that's a business. You understand? Let me tell you, I will continue standing by the truth. The truth I will continue saying. I will not deviate from it. You understand? Don't forget too, that I abide under the shadow of Psalm 23, which says, Jehovah Boyenazum Dikeh. I cannot operate in all my clean transport in the city and come back to this village to come and practice. Not possible. I will always stand by the truth, and the truth shall I stand on. Justice and equity.
Hey! Our people are money. The only thing you need to do is to lie to these people. Look for money, spend it, throw it around, and you'll see that on that day everybody will vote for you. That's all they need to know. Village school fees. Tell them lies. You must learn how to lie. You're telling me you don't want to lie. You are clean. You are innocent. You're this one, and you think you can do it. Politics can't bed.
I am not going to be a ruler. I am going to be a leader. Leaders say truth. Rulers don't say the truth. You got that? So I'm a leader.
Also, Omego, if you see what happened when we were doing our electioneering campaign today, you will not believe it.
What happened?
Everybody was running after us. All of them. And nobody, not even a single soul, was with him. Also, we will floor a number and shame all those people who failed to recognize the power of your wealth in this community.
Already we have floored them. Ozokalo, let me remind you that I've made money.
Yes, sir.
I've made money. Omego have made money.
Yes, sir.
Sooner I'll be at the corridors of power. And immediately I'll be there, I will sponsor a local government chairman. House member, then a governor.
I will tell my people why Obama killed Osama.
See, Omego has made money.
Yes, sir.
All of them were jumping on me. My name was on the lips of everybody.
As a matter of fact, you have heard about the law of campaign for councillor. I am coming out for councillor to bring change, peace, and tranquility in our community. As a matter of fact, I have matches to give to you. These matches that I'm giving you, I don't want you to look at it by the size, but look at the potency. The goodness of these matches is what I want you to see. The innermost of these matches. Mama Lanya. You don't see that? Light. Okay, which means if I go there, I will bring light to this community. Bam. Ochi. Ya won't know about Bam. Yeah, okay, now. So, Mama, take matches. You see these matches I gave to you, Mama? On that day, I want you to come and vote for me. In fact, don't come and vote for me. Come and vote for peace, honesty, tranquility, which I represent. Yes. So you're coming to vote for peace, tranquility, and equity on that very day. So, Mama, I am expecting you. Yes. PLP, come PLP. And beer makana. You're standing by the truth and cleanliness. That is what you're doing, not me. You understand? I am only representing. I am representing cleanliness. I'm representing truth. I'm representing justice. Yes, sir. So you are coming to vote for peace, justice, and equity, which I'm representing. You know, PLP. You have joined us. I am equally happy that you've realized that what you did in the past with Carlo was bad. My brother, my friend, my campaign manager, my every. I am very, very happy, as a matter of fact, that you've forgiven her. This thing you did, it is not man that is going to reward you. It is God who is in heaven that is going to reward you. Amen. As a matter of fact, the reward may not come now, but in the hereafter, the reward Jesus can make. You got that? Yes. Thank you very much. Amen, Lord. Neka, we've been going around sharing matches. This is the matches. Okay. This is the matches left. I want you to go out, share it among all the women, those in the market square, those in the church, everywhere. In case it will not go round, it will not be enough. Share it one stick. The most important thing is let the light go round. Where? That's all. So take it. PLP power. Where's the progress? PLP power. PLP power. PLP power. Ebeka ge binyaka. Ebesere matches. Ebeka ge binyaka. Ebesere matches. Ebeka ge binyaka o. Ebesere matches.
What kind of cloth would you like to wear on the day of your swearing in? Is it traditional or English?
I would like English, sir. Because
need to look smart.
Yes, I would love to look very smart that day, sir.
In that case, I would tell one of my friends that live in US to send a designer suit, tie, and shoe.
Hey. Thank you very much, sir.
You know what?
Yes, sir.
Get me your sizes from your tailor, so I can send it over there for them to bring nice things for you.
Oh, I will do just that, sir. Okay. And thank you very much.
When you get in there, we'll do business.
Of course. I am fully prepared.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. This is the offer on the table for you.
we are making an offer of 2 million naira in order for you to step down for Uchenna. Huh?
Ha, Kanu. Kanu. In fact, I am not going to call you also Kanu because you don't behave like a good Ozo. You don't behave like Ozo. Yes. As a matter of fact, I am ashamed of your father. Your father who let you have this Ozoship. I am shaming your shame on behalf of your father. I am sure if your father was alive, your father wouldn't have accepted the title of Ozoship because he was going to know that if he takes it, it is going to pass on to you. Because he also knows that you are going to mess it up in your evil ways. He wouldn't have accepted it. Look at you. You're telling me your offer, you made offer, is on the table. Now this is my table. Where is your offer? You said it's on the table. Was that not what you said? It's on the table. This is my table. Where is the offer? Where is the offer? Let me tell you. Eh? If you can come to this place with Chief Omego to offer me 10 million naira to sell my sponsorship and I refused. Common sense, if you had any, would have told you that 2 million naira, even for 2 million, I cannot sell the confidence reposed on me by my people. To come and tell me to relinquish this for 2 million naira. Who told you it will work? Who told you?
You will not get a single vote. I repeat, even a single vote. And you will still lose the money. Yes, unlike the title, where you lost your money and still had the title.
What did you take to this place? Which one did you drink? Which one did you drink to this place that is intoxicating you, making you talk nonsense? You have the effrontery, the muscle in your mouth to talk to me the way you fish. Let me tell you, you cannot advise me. And I will not be subdued to any nonsense you opening your mouth to voice. See, Apia will soon be here. And I am sure you know that he's still angry over what you did to his wife. So stand up from here and leave before he arrives. If he meets you here, you're going to regret your life. You're going to regret the reason you came to this place.
Innocent, all right. I will go as you have instructed. Innocent, have you no shame to yourself? Innocent, you are insulting an entitled osoholder like myself in this community. You have no shame. You are busy sharing matches worth 5 naira each to our people, thereby insulting their sensibility. But we are busy sharing big money, clothes, food items to our people. Innocent, I am going. You will see what will happen to you.
Because you try to listen to me. Look at you. No. You almost broke my eardrum with your thick voice, talking nonsense. People who have this kind of voice stand on the pulpit and use it to preach the word of God, to preach Christianity, to preach good things, to preach clean things. You use your own voice to talk nonsense. You're here talking rubbish. You are ashamed. I shouldn't say shame on you because already you are shame. Your name is Shame. Also Shame Kanu, not also Kanu. Shame Kanu. You came to this place. You would have stood here now and wait for Apia to come.
So, that is the offer. Convince him and I'll pay you right now, right here.
Thank you very much, World Party Chairman of the Opposition Party. Thank you. But let me tell you something. There is no amount of money that you give to me or give to us that will make us bow out. So please, hold your money. Hold it. In fact, as it is now, I'm going to meet him so that we'll plan for our last campaign. You know, the election is almost here. Thank you very, very much. Hold your money. Dalu.
And then a bed, do you know when you told me you were coming? When you called me on the phone and said you were coming, I never believed it. I thought you were just trying to pull my legs.
I know you will not believe it. Just that I heard your husband is a local chief. And he's running for an election, so I have to come around to support. And you know how much I love politics.
And I also know you love money.
My husband is coming out without kobo. There's no money. You know the kind of man I married to.
I understand. But I'll still have to stay back and support you guys.
Thank you. Come here. Chummy. I missed you. Let me get you something. You're welcome. Let me get you something.
Monica. Wow. Politics.
Ebere, who do you even want to vote for?
Enom, of course. Who else?
Inomake. Hey, I'm voting for Uchenna, the candidate of Omego, Ndijiego. Because the last time they came to our house to campaign, they give us plenty money.
Anyways, for me, I'm voting for Enoma because I think he's the right man for our community.
Nah, this girl, you know, no, Chichile, Putano. Well, anyway, let's go and vote. I will convince you.
Omega is speaking. Yes. I have 101 guarantee that you won. Just bring most of your friends, plenty girls to my house in the village. I am now a godfather. From the smallest to the biggest, I'm now a godfather. I'm going to the venue to witness this landslide. Omega is speaking. Yes, I'm going to the venue. Hey, money is speaking. Oh.
Where are you going now? I'm going to vote now. Vote? That's where I'm coming from. They don't vote, you know. Are you serious?
Yes, so.
Okay, who won? They are still counting the votes, but with what I'm seeing, Innocent is leading. Hey! Innocent vote. Yes, so I thank God because that's who I voted for. Okay, now.
Who can tell me this one will pass me?
BLP 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 People's Light Party. You see, when I was about going up and down, they were calling me Eleba Ge Binyaka, Ebesere Marches. Eleba Ge Binyaka, Ebesere Marches. They never knew I was a light. Yes, so. Some people did not understand the reason for that matches. Those who understood the purpose of that matches, they came in peace, in mass, and voted for me. Yes, now, my people, I have come to show my people that they deserve to live and not to die. My people deserves freedom. My people deserves all the good things that they deserve. They will live and not to die. I have come to liberate my people from the hands of those tyrants. Those who said my people will not live. My people will live. You see,
This is why I have always abided by the Psalm 23, which says, Jehovah Boyenazom Dikeh. He leads my paths. He organizes my way. My footprints.
You're right.
I keep everything clean. I make sure that I am clean inside and outside. My footprints clean. My paths clean. You understand?
Your wife clean.
My wife here also clean. I am happy to be.
Before I start, I would like to give my husband a beg. What? I'm so happy. Hey, imagine me of yesterday. Yesterday I was just a wife to ordinary taxi driver. Inoma, clean transport. But now I'm a wife of an Ozo title holder. One Munye Councillor. Now I know why they say that integrity pays. Bikonu, keep doing the right thing. I've learned a lot from my husband. He taught me a lot. He taught me to stand on the truth. He taught me to do the good thing. In fact, I have changed. I love you.
I am sure she's not making any of you here jealous. Because the way you are swallowing saliva, I say, what is it?
Please, you are welcome. Oh, let me go and bring the food. I'm coming. Oh, you are coming, eh?
You see, now that the power has come to me, I am returning back the power to my people.
Yes, sir.
Let my people enjoy what freedom is all about. Let my people enjoy happiness. This is why I kept telling people, always be clean at all times. Let your yes be your yes and let your no be your no. Don't come and stand in the part of yes when that part is supposed to be no. Or you go to stand in the part of no when the part is supposed to be part of yes. Be clean at all times.
Seriously, now I really know that integrity pays. And I am ready to change all my ways and all my fake lives. Seriously. The way of living fake lives, I have to change everything. I've really understood that integrity pays. I learned a lot.
Hip, hip, hip! Hooray! Hip, hip, hip! Hooray! Hip, hip, hip! Hooray!
Inoma killing transport all the way from city down to village. Woku kadira nono. Imakwa inoma killing transport all the way from city down to village. Woku kadira nono. Obodo nebaya inoma. He is coming, he is going. Wakwa killing no man inoma. Anakwa follow, Ono neyogi. Okage bukwa. I beg you, hold your peace, your Psalm 23 naga. Who can tell me this one will pass me? A man with dignity, love, integrity, and the no unclean under his nose. A man with dignity, full of integrity, and the get up, kill him, on the he is coming, he is going. Okwa killing no man, Anakwa follow, Ono neyogi, Okage bukwa. I beg you, hold your peace, your Psalm 23 naga. Some people carry money, they do. Money, no man on this year. Show the light, if they do. Psalm 23, yes, your poor. Integrity matters a lot.